Indigo Residential is proud to announce this 2-bedroom terraced home. As you enter the property, there's an entrance hall, which leads onto the lounge diner, and there's stairs leading to the first floor. There's also French doors opening to the rear garden. The kitchen comprises of a range of wall and base units, an inset sink unit, and space for appliances. To the first floor, there's a good-sized master bedroom, and a single bedroom to the rear of the property. The bathroom has a bath with shower over, a wash hand basin and a WC. Externally there's a garage in a block with parking in front. There's a paved front garden and a low maintenance rear garden with artificial grass, a patio area and an outhouse. Indigo Residential highly recommends this 2-bedroom terraced home.